Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this tutorial, we'll show you how to streamline your returns by enabling default mode sale return for sale bills and challans, eliminating the need to manually switch to return mode every time. So let's get started. Head to the sales voucher configuration and select the relevant billing series. Here you will find the feature labeled as Default Mode Sale Return for Sale Bill Challan items. Enabling this feature allows the system to automatically select Sale Return as the default transaction mode while generating sale bills and sale challans. Let's move to the Sale Bill window and observe its functionality. As observed, the system automatically selects the Sales Return as the default mode.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.